Hey, so if you're seeing an access denied error on a Google form, like you can't open or submit it, yeah, that can be really frustrating. But don't worry, this is usually caused by a simple settings issue. I'll walk you through it step by step, so let's get into it. First, make sure you're logged into the correct Google account. Sometimes uh, you might be using the wrong one. If you have multiple accounts, try opening the form with a different one. Yeah, this often fixes access issues. If you're the form owner, open settings and check if access is restricted to specific users or your organization. If restrict to users in your organization is enabled, people outside won't be able to access the form. Turn this off if needed. Make sure the form is shared properly. Set it so anyone with the link can access it. If you don't have permission, click Request Access and wait for the owner to approve it. Now try opening the form in incognito mode. This removes account conflicts and extension issues. Also, extensions like ad blockers or privacy tools can sometimes block access. Try disabling them temporarily. And yeah, sometimes Google services might be down or having issues. Check their status page if the problem continues. So yeah, that's how you fix Google Forms access denied problems. One of these steps should get your form accessible again. All right, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.